Okay, we're starting with a little side shuffle and this 3-minute footwork drill. This is not made for 100% maximum speed, agility, quickness. This is just to keep my feet moving for a 3-minute round. I'm going at a pretty steady pace, but not 100% speed and agility here. It's more of a conditioning drill than it is for, increasing your maximum speed or agility or quickness. Here we got the pendulum step. I try to keep that foot ratio in line, bringing that right foot up as my left foot comes up. So you don't want to let that back foot stay glued to the ground. You want them to both come up, so in a fight sense, you'd be able to land that backhand. If you leave that back foot glued to the ground, you're not going to land with that back foot. Watching the video here, it's a little sloppy. I'm kind of taking my time. I'm a little lackadaisical. I should probably stay a little bit closer to the ground, not as much vertical. Vertical in boxing isn't good, traditionally. And we're doing just quick steps here. Just moving those feet quickly, pumping those hands, and jogging back. Just keeping my feet moving with this drill, really. If you don't have a speed ladder, that's okay. You can use some rings or just use a line on the sidewalk or a parking lot. You can get some chalk out. Whatever works. It doesn't have to be perfect for this drill. And now we're doing the Ali step. Probably wouldn't use this in an actual boxing match or sparring, but it's good to get those hips moving. Those Achilles are pumping. I also wouldn't be pumping my hands like that in a fight, so here I reminded myself, hey, try keeping your hands up like you might in a fight a little bit more. And this is a little drill I think I just made up on the spot, just kind of working. I have a problem with taking too many steps back in a row. I'll take 2 or 3 steps back. So this one I'm trying to work on taking 1 step back and adding some kind of lateral movement. Pivot, 1 step back, pivot, 1 step back. And now we're just moving our feet as we're throwing punches, kind of shadow boxing with a little bit of agility involved. My stance is a little wider than it should be. I wouldn't box like that for very long without, adjusting. But again, just trying to get my feet moving because it's easy for a 3-minute round to just kind of stay in one spot. So I just want to get my feet moving, and I suggest you do some shadow boxing like this yourself, or just longer speed, agility, quickness ladder workouts. So sometimes you do a quick burst for 10 seconds and you're kind of working that nervous system, and sometimes you're doing this where you're going for that 3 minutes. See you next time.